Welcome. If you're wondering how to view hidden contacts on Messenger, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you through the updated steps to uncover those hidden connections seamlessly using your Android device. Let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your Android device. This is your gateway to connecting with friends and family. Once you've launched the app, look for the menu icon, which resembles three horizontal lines, located at the top left corner of your screen. Give that a tap. Now that you're in the menu, you need to access the settings. To do this, tap on the gear icon, usually found at the top right. This will take you to the settings page where you can customize your Messenger experience according to your preferences. Next, you'll want to locate the privacy and safety option. Tap on this to dig deeper into your privacy settings and see who you're connected with. It's a crucial step in managing your contacts. Finally, tap on Hidden Contacts. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see the list of contacts that you have hidden from view. It's a simple process that allows you to manage your Messenger connections better and reconnect with those you may have forgotten about. So, in just 5 easy steps, you can unveil your hidden contacts on Messenger. Remember, staying connected has never been easier.